Hey, today I'm going to teach you how to install an MCP server. We're going to start with something simple, which is the Filesystem MCP server. This will allow Claude to connect to your local file system and read any of your files on your computer. So first, there's going to be a couple requirements. We're going to need the Claude client. We're also going to need access to a terminal. And we're going to need Node.js installed on our computer. So you can go to Node.js and download. Now we're going to go to the website smithery.ai. Now this is a repository of a lot of different MCPs you can actually download. So I'm going to go to the search here, and I'm going to search in file system and press enter. Now it's going to give me a couple options here. I'm going to choose the most popular one as it's most battle tested. And once we get in here, there's going to be an installation on the side here. It's going to give you a couple options, and you can use these options if you use these clients. I'm going to stick with Claude here, and I'm going to scroll down to configuration. It says allowed DIRs here. Now you can actually enter in allowed directories that you want this file system MCP to access. Now you could just do it like comma separated, but for me I'm going to stick to just my home directory here. Now if I wanted to add more stuff, I could do comma separated and do more things like this, but as I said, I'm going to keep it to my username. I'm going to click on connect here, and then it's going to give me a terminal command here that I can copy, go into my terminal and paste it. Now what this is doing is it's using Smithery CLI to install this MCP into our Claude. So it's going to install it, and then it's going to ask me if I want to restart Claude to apply the changes. I'm going to say yes. It's going to restart Claude, and then when we're up and running, you're going to see now there's a hammer with a number beside it. This hammer indicates and shows all the tools that we have available to us via this MCP now. So let's ask it to list out my home directory. Now it's going to load, and then it's going to ask me to use this file system MCP, and I'm going to allow it for this chat. And then it's going to list it out. It's asking me to do it again. I want to list the contents of my home directory. So there we go. Listed out my home directory. Gave me a little summary of it, which is correct. I'm on Mac, so it has my desktop, documents, downloads, all that, and then some custom directories that I made. So you can see those tools calls they made. It asked for the allowed directories to see that my home directory is allowed, and then it actually listed the content of my home directory. All right, so that was how to install MCP server on your local Claude client. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments section, and also subscribe if you want to see more of these videos of me exploring AI applications.